So these are all the ingredients we need. Everything is going to be in a description box. So just like the title of the video says, this flour is a cup and 1/3 cup. So we have flour, milk, baking powder, pinch of salt, sugar, melted butter, and egg. And so now we're just going to go straight into the mixing. I like this because it's not difficult at all. It is very simple. So we're going to put in the dry ingredients here. The flour is already sifted, by the way. Sugar and baking powder. Mix the wet ingredients. I'm going to put in the melted butter and whisk. So we're just going to pour this here. We're going to still need a bit of water. Just pour this here and mix it together. This is very, very simple. If you already have these ingredients at home, it's very easy to whip this up for your guests. 1/3 cup of water. Like halfway done, so I'm going to taste this. The taste is just perfect. I wanted it really sweet, and it's actually very sweet. Some people would use their hands to scoop this, but I can't do that. So I'm going to use the spoon I would normally use to scoop my akara, which is this one. So if you want to get that proper round shape, you use a round spoon. Let's fry this. Oil is hot now, but be mindful not to let it be too hot. So I'm just going to scoop a bit of this. Like I said, we don't want the balls too big and you need it to cook properly. So you put this in when the oil isn't too hot, but it is hot. Just cook fried on medium heat a bit. So it's been on fire for about a minute and a half now. So you see what I'm talking about. We don't want it brown and the inside is uncooked. But when you see these openings, the more they are, the more cooked the inside is. So I'll actually flip everything and we'll flip and keep flipping and keep flipping. So you see the shape is not the best because I used a spoon, but it works just fine. So this is almost burnt, which I kind of don't mind. I want some of them a bit burnt self, while others will just be. So the ones that are a bit burnt, I'll be the one to eat it. Hey. Anyway, I'm taking these ones out now. These ones. Here. Ooh. Our buns. This is an ugly looking buns, but sweet recipe. Look at that. Look at how it looks. Oh my god. Thank you so much for watching. I would see you in my next video. Bye.